Nearly every person on the planet has heard of eBay, but not everyone realizes the unlimited income potential that eBay offers. 179 million people use eBay to buy virtually everything. That's $95 billion worth of goods sold in 1 year. In a span of only 3 years, eBay added 20 million new buyers. There's a profitable business opportunity on eBay for you. And as the eBay marketplace grows, you'll find plenty of profits ready to be achieved working from anywhere. Whether you want to start selling a few items from home, or if you're operating a large business and would like to add eBay as an additional way to grow sales, there's plenty of opportunity waiting for you. Grow and be challenged while learning from a master eBay power seller.
Hey folks, you've heard from Takoya Harris, and this is Christopher Matthew Spencer. I've been selling on eBay for over 2 decades, and there's no time like the present to get started selling on eBay. As the larger e-commerce retailers struggle to keep up with the complexities of the shutdown, my small and mighty business has achieved an increase in sales of 432% since we were ordered to shelter in place. I've partnered with the iconic and longtime small business advocates at Entrepreneur to offer a complete blueprint for anyone looking to start and run a successful eBay business. If you're feeling uneasy about the future, then I invite you to purchase a copy of Start Your Own eBay Business wherever fine books are sold. I've provided a link in the description below for your convenience. I encourage you to not only purchase a copy of this book, but also to subscribe to this channel for future content that I'll be creating to help you with your eBay sales. I wish you the very best of success with your eBay business. Go get 'em.